Bought the Ironman 6.5 foot awning. Got the brackets that it came with. 2 bolts to hook it onto that U channel. 2 U bolts to hook it onto the Rola roof rack. Lock nuts, washers for these. Lock nuts for those U bolts to also attach those to the Rola roof rack. Attach the U channel to the brackets first before we put them on the roof. This is the roof rack we're going to attach it to. It's got 1.5 inches here, 1 inch here, 5/8 here. I'm going to be attaching it here and down here, and I will show what that looks like. Alright, got both the brackets on. It's kind of hard to see, but they're on. This one's up here toward the front. Okay, the Ironman awning is on. The Isuzu VehiCROSS brackets that we made look like that. Here, awning is attached with the brackets that they sent. You can see the U-bolts we used down there and how it looks from up here. Should hold. Seems pretty solid. There's the VehiCROSS with the awning on it. What it looks like. The side. The dogs. Yes. I know. I know, Hayden. We go camping. Here's how it looks. It's about even with the windshield molding on the lift. Sticks out a little in the back, which is fine because this has a door. If you have a hatch on a short vehicle like this, you're probably going to have a lot of overhang on the front because your hatch is going to come up here. You're going to have to move this quite a bit forward. I don't know about hatches because I don't have one, but I'm pretty sure that's a problem if you have a hatch. So there you go. VehiCROSS Ironman awning.